Hello dear viewers and welcome back to Horilla. Today in this video, let's talk about the mail templates which you can find inside Horilla. So setting up a mail template may be very useful because it is used in certain areas of the software. So if you go to the configuration, under configuration you have a menu called the mail templates. Click on that and there you can see the different templates which are created. Now these templates can be used in certain areas where they ask for templates, okay? So here I'm going to click on this. So this is a new template which is called application status. So while creating a template, there are three important things which you have to make sure of. One is the title, the other one is the body and the company. Okay, so you can give a title. So wherever you have to choose this mail template, this title will be shown as the, drop down menu. Shown in the drop down menu. Okay, now this is the body of your mail. So you can set up a body for your email. Okay, so whatever the body is, you can give it hi and this will be taking the name of the person and the body will be given there. Now here you can see the company. Okay, whichever company is this, whichever company it belongs to, you can choose the company from here. So by default, the logged in company will be taken. So you have different other, companies as well. And once you're done with it, you can save it. Okay, so that's the template here. You have another template also, which is the offer letter. So you can see the name is given as offer letter. The company is also given. And here is the body of the mail. Okay. So whatever you're setting, three things which you have to make sure about is, like if you just click on create, you have the title, the body and the company. And here in the body, you have the option to, specify different styles, make it bold, underlined. And if you want to remove any font style, font families are there, colors, all alignments, tables, all such things are there here. Okay. So let me show you where we can find this template. So inside recruitment module, if you just take recruitment, you have this recruitment pipeline. Okay. So under each pipeline, you have different candidates. So I'll just take this candidate called Sophia and I'm going to send mail for this candidate. Okay. So this is the mail sending section. So you can actually, you can manually create a mail from here by typing and giving a subject and all. Or else you can go to templates and from there you can see the templates which are pre-created. So I've been talking about the offer letter as well as the application status. So if you click on the template, that mail will be taken here and you can directly send that mail to the candidate. So this is how easily you can set up the mail template in Horilla. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you all in the next video.